Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. I am Sohini Biswas, a third year law student, and currently I am doing an internship at the Lexis & Company. Today I'll be discussing on the topic of privacy as a privilege under the Internet Evidence. So let us begin. Privacy is a fundamental right of the human being recognized in the UN Declaration of Human Rights, the International Covenant on the Civil and Political Rights, and in many other international and regional treaties. Privacy underpins human dignity and other key values such as freedom of association and freedom of speech. It has become one of the most important human rights issues of the modern age. The publication of this report reflects that the growing importance, diversity, and complexity of this fundamental right. This report provides detail to the state of privacy in the 50 countries all around the world. It outlines the constitutional and legal conditions of privacy protection and summarizes important issues and events relating to privacy and surveillance. In many of the countries where privacy is not explicitly recognized in the Constitution, such as the United States, Ireland, and India, the court have found that the right in other provisions. In many countries, international agreements and recognized privacy rights such as International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights or the European Conventions on Human Rights have been adopted into law. Now, what are the reasons for adopting comprehensive law? There are three major reasons for the movement towards the comprehensive privacy and data protection laws. Many countries are adopting these laws for one or more reasons. First is to give remedy to the past injustice. Many countries, especially in the Central Europe, South America, and South Africa, are adopting laws to remedy privacy violations that occurred under previous authoritarian regimes. Second is to promote the electronic commerce. Many countries, especially in Asia, but also Canada, have developed or are currently developing laws in an effort to promote electronic commerce. These countries recognize consumers as uneasy with their personal information being sent worldwide. Privacy laws are being introduced as a part of the package of laws intended to facilitate electronic commerce by setting up uniform rules. Next is to ensure laws are consistent with the pan-European laws. Most countries in the Central and Eastern Europe are adopting new laws based on the Council of the Europe Convention and the European Union Data Protection Directive. Many of these countries hope to join the European Union in the near future. Countries in other regions such as Canada are adopting new laws to ensure that trade will not be affected by the requirement of the EU directive. Outside this rather strict context, privacy protection is frequently seen as a way of drawing the line at how far society can intrude into a person's affair. It can be divided into the following facets. First is the information privacy. It involves the establishment of rules governing the collection and handling of personal data such as the credit information and medical records. Next is the body privacy, which concerns the protection of people's physical cells against invasive procedures such as drug testing and cavity searches. Next is the privacy of communication, which covers the security and privacy of mail, telephones, emails, and other form of communication. Last but not the least, the territorial privacy, which concerns the setting of limits on intrusion into the domestic and other environments such as the workplace or public place. The lack of a single definition should not imply that the issues lack importance. As one writer observed, in one sense, all the human rights are aspects of the right to privacy. Now, what is the conclusion that we can draw? One may perhaps add judicial inactivity as one of the limiting factors on privacy by holding that violations of procedure by investigating agencies would not vitiate the trials. The judiciary has been complicit in perhaps some of the more damaging intrusions into privacy. Thank you.